If you want to keep your phone numbers from a previous provider and transfer them to 8x8, you can do so using the Port Numbers menu. Click Review and initiate porting requests, then click on the Port Numbers button to get started. Review and make sure you meet all the pre-check requirements, then click Continue. Enter your basic owner information, including owner's name, the name of the business, and the billing or service address, then click Continue. Only the account owner or an authorized person can request the transfer. Select your current service provider using the drop-down menu and enter your billing telephone number. Next, enter the phone numbers that you want to port. If you have entered a toll-free number, you must provide a copy of a bill. If you have entered a wireless number, enter your account number and PIN in the Wireless Numbers section. When you are done, click Continue. Assign numbers to users by using the drop-down menus. The System Assigned option automatically assigns temporary numbers. Or, select a number from the list of available numbers in your inventory to manually assign it to a porting number. Then click Continue. Review the confirmation and accept the terms and conditions in the letter of authorization. Check the box to electronically sign the agreement and click I agree to submit the form. Your request will be submitted. 8x8 will notify you via email with updates on the porting process. You can print the letter of authorization and see the list of temporary numbers that are assigned to the ported numbers. After submitting the porting request, the status of the transferred number appears as pending in the summary page. Downloading the desktop application is just as easy. Go to your welcome email and click the link to download the desktop application. You can also find it on our support site, support.8x8.com/express.